Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to change page number in the middle of the document in MS Word. So make sure changing the page numbering format or starting a new sequence in the middle of a document requires using section breaks. So without these, any change you make to one page will automatically apply to the entire document. So here is the pro way to handle this in Microsoft Word. So first you need to place your cursor at the very end of the page, immediate before the page where you want the change to occur. For example, you want to change the page number from the page 4. So click here and now go to the layout tab on the top ribbon and click on the breaks, and under the section break you need to click on the next page, and so this might push your cursor to the next page. So by default sections are linked, meaning they still mirror each other, so you need to break that link. So double click on the header area on the page where you want the new numbering to start, and here on the top you will see that the header and footer tab will appear in the ribbon. And now look for the link to previous button, and here it is. If it is highlighted shaded, then click it to turn it off. Now this section is independent, you can change the number. While still in the header footer area, go to the insert tab and click on the page number and click on the format page numbers, and now choose your preferred number format. For example 1, 2, 3, and under the page numbering you need to select the start and type the number. For example, you want to type the new page number from page 10, and now click OK to proceed, and here you can see that your page number is starting from 10 now. Moreover, you need to go to the back and manually remove the first and here double click, and now you can see that there is no page number on the first, second and third page, but it is starting from the 10 from the fourth page, 11 and 12 and 13 and so on. The numbering is continuous. So I hope now you understand how you can change page number in the middle of the document. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.